Maggie, can you get Mommy a cup of water from your sink? Water from your sink? Shh. Oh, you're drinking it out of the tap? Shh. You want to go call Uncle Sean on the phone? Yeah? Go get your phone. Where's your phone? I think it's inside your house. Why don't you go inside? Where's your phone? You make a call? Maggie, where's your phone? You want to give Grandpa a call? Oh, is it for me? Hello? Oh yeah, this is Maggie's mom. Yeah, here you go. She can talk to you. Here you go. It's for you. It's not for you? Oh, who's on the phone? Hello? I need you to stop calling me. You have to talk to Maggie about it.